Hey guys, Carly here in Alberta with my iRobot Roomba 3i Plus Robotic Vacuum. As you can see, the unit is out and about, busy doing its thing, and it picks up so much of the dirt and debris that's on the floor day to day. So all I have to do is come in and do the corners and behind doors and fun like that. Honestly, it's a great little unit. He has a tower that collects the dust for about a month and a half, and I couldn't be happier with it. Keep up the good work. I'm off to go do more important things than clean the floor. Roomba is still busy doing its thing. Would I recommend getting one of these to any of my friends or family? If you have the disposable income for this handy unit, yes, I would definitely recommend it.